Welcome to the Sanders Kitchen. I'm Mike. And why don't you guys come join me today for a fantastic grilled ham and Swiss po' boy. Well, let's show you what's on this wonderful sandwich. Well, we have ham and Swiss naturally, and we have some pickles, kosher dill in fact, and we have some fresh cut tomato and some lettuce. We're going to have a little butter to put on the bread on the grill. Actually, we have our French bread and some mayo and a little salt and pepper, and that's about it. Come on, let's get started. I'll show you how to make this sandwich. All right, the first thing I want to do is tell you that we cut 8 inches. That's usually the size that you get at a restaurant if you ordered a po' boy. And you can cut it any way you like. But this time, I'm going to cut it open and we're going to lay it right on the grill. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot. I'm going to put the butter on first. So we're going to put a little butter on that grill. Melt that butter down. I have it at 375. That's about all the butter I want, really. I'm going to put that bread on here. We're going to take some more butter. We're going to wet that grill up a little bit. I don't know if you can see that real good. And we're going to get our ham on here. Yeah, get some more ham on there. You can put as much ham as you like, but I'm going to tell you, if you order a grilled ham and Swiss po' boy at a restaurant here in our area of Louisiana, you're going to get a lot of ham. So I'm throwing a whole bunch of ham on here. It's going to shrink up a little bit. So what's going to happen now is we're going to let this ham cook a little bit. Then we'll put it all together and we'll put the Swiss cheese on top. It's going to be really good. Give us a couple of minutes. Doesn't that look great? Wow. Look at that nice browning of the ham. That's what we're looking for. So now we're going to turn these little boogers and start stacking them nicely. And that's about how long our French bread is right there. Yeah, look at that. That's what we're talking about, man. Some grilled ham. And now we're going to put on the Swiss. I happen to have some baby Swiss. Got a lot of Swiss, man. You need some Swiss, man. Put a piece there and a little piece there. We want to just let that get nice and soft. And I think I may put my bread back on. It's already toasty, but I just want to warm it up a little bit. Now, while the cheese is melting, I'm going to take the bottom part of the bread. What the heck? Take them both off of there. And let's put some mayo on this baby. Yeah. Got to have a lot of mayo. Okay, great. All right, let's put this over here. And now we'll take our bread, take this beautiful ham and Swiss, bring it over here. Okay, if she said I'm rolling, baby. Grilled ham and Swiss, fresh off the griddle, hot off the griddle. So what do? We go on with some tomato, a little salt, pepper, all right, some lettuce. Look at that. That's how that works. In fact, I think it's prettier looking at it like that. A little bit more salt. That's all I need. A little bit more. Oh, salt and pepper on a ham and Swiss po' boy. Oh, is that good? And let's get a couple of these nice wide pickles on here like this. And there we go. We have a ham and Swiss po' boy. My mouth is watering. I can't wait to eat it. Okay, the sandwich is together. It smells great. It looks wonderful. I've been waiting to dig into this thing. So come on, let's do it together. Grilled ham and Swiss. Whoops. Look at that. Look at that ham. It is so grilled it almost looks like bacon. That sandwich is outstanding. Well, you have to have some good old-fashioned barked root beer. Wow. I need to do a little shout out to my friend Todd Tobin, because he does more griddling on those Blackstone griddles than anybody I know. Todd, you're amazing. But you need to do some grilled ham and Swiss with some lettuce, tomatoes, and pickles, and lots of mayo. That's what you need to do. But let me tell you, this is a great sandwich. You got to have a little side of potato chips and a good cold drink to go with it. Thank you guys for joining me in the Sanders Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed our recipe. So go make yourself a grilled ham and Swiss po' boy. You'll love it. And please, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, stop, go hit the subscribe button. Hit the like and notification bell. That way you'll know when we come out with our new videos. Thank you guys again. Pam and I love each and every one of you. Thanks for your comments. And go get you a grilled ham and Swiss before you do anything else. And God bless you.